Thank you so very much for coming today. We're celebrating the union of Michael and Samantha, and please know we're so grateful that you are here to celebrate the joining of their lives. My name is Josh, and I'm so very honored and very proud to be able to be part of this ceremony, joining my little brother Mikey and this amazing lady, Samantha Smith. It's not often that you meet such good-looking people that have such amazing hearts and such a true love for one another. A marriage is a true blessing from the good Lord, proving and showing somebody that they are worth enough to be loved and cared about by that one special person for the rest of their lives. Today is a victorious day for Michael and Sam. Today, they won the battle of having somebody always in their corner. Today, they won the battle of having a true love. Today, they won the battle of having a constant companion. And as we all know in life, it's always nice to wake up with that person that you know loves you no matter what.
I've seen the peak and valley, I've seen the stars come on, I crossed over oceans, but you're the perfect storm. Your poetry in motion, I've never seen nothing like you. I've seen faded taillights fall into